You literally like... Honestly, at this point...
Pinker stings. Winker. Dings.
Oh, she farted. She actually farted.
Oh god, I think she farted in here and then you took it out. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another viral makeup hack testing videos, and I say hack very loosely because a lot of these things probably do not make your life any easier, but I thought I would test them out. Some of these actually might. You know, there's a couple that I've seen where I'm like, actually, that is quite smart, so I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that some of these things actually work this time. I think I've got 6 different makeup hacks to test. A lot of you guys have actually tagged me in these things on TikTok or sent them to me on Instagram or Twitter and said, Soph, can you try this hack? So that's what I'm gonna do today. If you're not following me on my other social media platforms, I am, what even am I? I'm at Soph Does Life on TikTok and Twitter, at Soph on Instagram, and then I do have a Facebook page, but I never use Facebook. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you. Press the button down below, turn my notifications on so you don't miss another TikTok viral makeup hacks testing video. So as you can probably tell already, I have done my foundation. Obviously, you can tell I've done my bronzer because I put way too much on my forehead, but what's new? So the first hack that I'm gonna be testing, or supposed hack, I actually saw Makeup by Tammy, who is a good friend of mine, do this on TikTok, and I will show you the TikTok on the screen, but if you want to follow her, it's at Makeup by Tammy. And this, I'm not sure who originally came up with this idea, but I mean, it's been done many times before in the past, but I've never tried it. So you mix a liquid lipstick with your concealer, and it's supposed to work really nicely as a cream blush, and she said she really likes the hack and it worked really well for her, and I can't see why this wouldn't work. I have tried putting straight up liquid lipstick on my cheeks before as liquid blush, but I found it just dried a little bit too quickly. I think it completely depends on what lipstick you're actually using. I think I'm gonna go for this one, which is the Too Faced Melted Matte liquid lipstick in the shade Pumpkin Spice. Smells like pumpkin spice, and it looks kind of similar to the one that Tammy used, and hers turned out really pretty, so I'm gonna try this. Let me take some of this. Oh dear god, that smells so good. And I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand. Take some of my Too Faced concealer. This is in the shade Vanilla, and is that gonna be enough? And then I think I just mix it on my hand like this. Ooh, it actually looks like a really... Oh my god, okay, that colour looks so nice for a cream blush. Quick, put it on my face before it dries. I'm gonna dip my brush directly into it. Oh my god, okay. Let's dip my brush into here, and then... Oh, bonus to this as well, it smells so nice. Okay, is this gonna blend? That is the question. Whoever first came up with this is a genius, because that is the easiest little hack. First of all, if you don't have a cream blush but you want to try like the effect of a cream blush and you want to see, you know, I don't know, if you like applying liquid type products, or if you just like are traveling somewhere and you don't want to bring a cream blush but you want a liquid lipstick as well. And actually I think the whole idea of mixing it with a concealer is so that it blends a little bit easier, because like I said earlier, if you put straight liquid lipstick on your face, it will probably dry a little bit too quickly and maybe go a little bit patchy, but mixing it with the concealer sort of makes it a bit less matte and a bit more blendable. That works. I'm really impressed with that, and I've still got tons left on my hand. You just need the tiniest bit of liquid lipstick. Did not need that much. It looks amazing. I'm sold, I'm sold, I'm sold on that one. First hack, that gets a big green tick from me. So this next one, a couple of you guys actually did DM me on Instagram, but the girls' Instagram and TikTok is mua.al or Ali, A-L-L-E, and she is reacting to another account's TikTok, but I can't see what it is because her head is like covering the video. But what this is, I really don't see the point in it, to be honest, because you could just do your eyebrows normally, but she's doing her eyebrows in a zigzag. Why would you ever need to do this? This is what I don't understand. So many of these makeup hacks make your life so much more difficult. So I'm also going to take my Benefit Precisely My Brow, and this is in the shade 3.5. Actually, you know what? Let me just quickly powder my face. By the way, guys, I'm wearing the, what's it called? Clinique foundation today. The one that I tested in my last video, and I really like it. I did actually wear it for like the full day the other day, and it looked really nice at the end of the day, so that foundation gets a big thumbs up from me. And I'm just gonna add a bit of highlighter. Let me just give my face a spritz. I'm gonna use my highlighter palette in Cookies and Cream today, and I'm gonna take this shade here. Actually, no, I tell a lie. This is not Cookies and Cream, this is Sugar Frosting, but I'm gonna use this shade. I will still use it anyway. I'm just so used to using my Cookies and Cream one like every day. So she does a zigzag like this and then goes down to the tail and then fills it in. And then at the front, she just does some little like flicky up little bits and bobs and then uses the spoolie to blend it all together. I don't know how well this is going to work, and also my eyebrows are kind of freshly tinted, so I wouldn't usually put loads of product in them right now. I'd probably just put in a bit of brow gel and neaten up the tail, but we'll try it. She starts here, does a line down and then a line up. Oh my god, this feels so weird. And then another line down for the tail and then goes underneath the tail like that. Can you even see the shape? It does these little fake brow hairs. And then she doesn't like fill in any of the gaps. She then just takes the spoolie and wiggles it all around. The only bit that looks a bit strange is the end, because I think I would need like a little bit more definition just here. But you know what, guys? That actually works quite well. Out of all of them, I was thinking this one was one of the most actually no. There's an even dumber one, but I thought that this one looked like really pointless. And I really didn't think it was gonna work to blend it out that easily, but it actually kind of does. So let's do it again. Line that way, line up to create a V, then back down again. Oh God, and then the tail this way. Shitting hell. What have I just done to my eyebrow? You know, the thing is, my eyebrows are so uneven. This eyebrow grows so much thicker than this one. Just a couple of them. And then we blend. Those are some bold eyebrows. It does work, but it is a bit pointless. To be honest, I think you'd be so much easier to just do your eyebrows how you normally do your eyebrows. I think that whole zigzag thing is a bit stupid and it's a little bit clickbaity, probably just to look like something different, but wow, my eyebrows my eyebrows are not related today or ever. Like this one is short and fat and this one is skinny and long. So I need to try and fix this. What? What are those? Shit, they look so bad. I did not think this through when I was tinting my eyebrows yesterday because I did not need this much product. I'm just going to put in a bit of brow gel to hopefully try and save them a bit, but I really don't think it's going to. Please make them look a bit less blocky. That's all I'm going to be able to focus on for the rest of the video because they just look so ridiculous. So the next two hacks are two eyeshadow hacks that I have seen go everywhere. One of them involving a spoon, which has that not been done about 500 times before? Or 500 million times? Like honestly, the number of times I've seen people hold a spoon up to their face and use it to do an eyeshadow look many, many times, but it's come back again and it's slightly different this time round. And then the other one is to do stripes of eyeshadow on your eyelid, going from darkest to lightest, and you put like the shimmery ones in the center and the inner corner, and then two like darker matte shades on the outside, and then you blend it all together and it's supposed to be a really quick eye look. So I definitely need to test that. Let's do it. Let me just prime my eyes first. I'm just using the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. And I'm using my Super Spice palette from Revolution. So I'm going to take the shade Brownies on my outer corner. Then I'm going to take Cereal. Then I'm going to take Cookie Dough. And then for the shimmers, I'm going to do Not Gonna Lie. And I'm going to do Mirror Ball. Okay, she's only done 4 shades. So I will also do 4 shades. So scrap Brownies. Let's go with Cereal for the darker one. So I'm going to put some of this. She does it like that. Right, maybe that's too much. Then I'm going in with Cookie Dough. Just next to it. I think I could have fit 5, but oh well, it's been done now. I'm then gonna do Not Gonna Lie. Done it a bit wonky, haven't I? Oh well. And then on the inner part, I'm gonna do Mirror Ball. All that's left to do is blend, so let's try it. This is actually working so much better than I thought it would. All I would probably do next to this is just deepen up the outer corner like a little bit more. Let me just take a little bit more Cereal. That sounds like a weird sentence. With a little bit of practice, I actually think this could potentially be a little bit quicker than doing the full thing, but I don't know, I guess you just spend less time blending and like dipping into the palette maybe. Next time I think I would try and get my lines a little bit more even, but that has definitely worked. The only thing is, like with my shimmers and shades and like the shades in general, I prefer to have them a little bit more intense. So normally I wouldn't like blend out a shimmer, I would just sort of like pack it on and have it in a particular place instead of blend it into the other shades. But if you play around with this, that really can work, especially if you are not particularly confident with eyeshadow and like blending shades and like where shades should go. Probably not something I would use on the regular because I would just do my eyeshadow regularly, but I can't deny it, it worked. And then this bloody spoon one, I'm gonna try it. I'm probably not gonna use it ever again, but I'm gonna try it. This spoon just seems way too big. I did also bring a teaspoon, which is probably a much better size, but everyone's using like a massive dessert spoon to do this. So that is also what I'm gonna do. So the idea is you sort of hold it here, do an eyeshadow color. So a lot of people I've seen are doing like bright orange, and then you flip the spoon around and use the flat side of the spoon to create like a wing. Who knows how this is gonna turn out? I will try it so you don't have to. Hold your spoons, put your spoons down until you see me do this. By the way, the previous hack I actually saw on Tarte Cosmetics page. I don't know if somebody else did it before then, but I saw it on Tarte Cosmetics. And then this hack is by, oh, I saw Michaela do it, but let me see. Okay, so the girl that did this originally is Dully Zanela, or is it Dully Zanela? I'm really sorry if I've just pronounced their name wrong. And I'm gonna take the shade Cocktail from my palette because it's a bright orange. How am I gonna hold the spoon and do this into a mirror? I don't, shit. Hang on, I'm gonna have to put my mirror down here. Oh Christ. Oh, it's really cold. It is really cold. I feel like I'm pushing my eyeball out. Okay, moment of truth. It's not quite the right shape, is it? Okay, flip. Oh, my spoon is too big. My nose just gets in the way. Hang on, how does she do this? Like that? Am I doing it? Am I doing it? Kind of worked. It looks nowhere near as cool as hers. It just seemed to suit her eye shape a little bit more. I don't think I quite got that angle right. Let me try and do this again. Is that better? Maybe. No. Yeah, then I guess I would need to blend this out because it looks a little bit odd. Just like that. But yeah, like I said, it worked so much better on her. I think maybe I wasn't holding the spoon at the right angle. It kind of did work though. If you can get that angle of the spoon right though, and if it does suit your eye shape, then sure, that also kind of works. The next hack is one of the most ridiculous things I've ever seen. It involves tape. Glam with Susan. But what you're supposed to do, or you could just practice your eyeliner, honestly. So you take some tape that's gonna be big enough to fit like this. Okay. Oh my God, it's literally got like my nose marks on the ugh. Fuck me, the things I do for the internet. You put it, you literally like, how did she do it? I can't see what I'm doing. What is my job? So you stick it like that, and then you take some more and you stick it on your eyelid. 1, 2, like that. My eyelids are too wrinkly. That's the only problem. Like, there's a big gap in it. Okay. Oh, I'm not gonna be able to see. I'm not gonna be able to see because that's just taped my eye shut. Cool. Yeah, this looks really good. I look so good. She just takes her finger. Okay, guys. So now that I've got my really easy, efficient contraption set up, I'm gonna take Night Owl, and she is literally just taking it on her finger. Bloody hell. And then she just rubs it in. Oh, okay. Oh my God, why do I actually think this is gonna work? I actually think it's gonna work. If this works, I'm gonna be really mad because no one needs to do this. And if it doesn't work, I'm also gonna be really mad because there was so much effort. Oh my God, I did them at 2 completely different angles. Should we take the tape off and reveal? Are you ready? Okay, well, it's taken half my foundation off. You're probably supposed to do this before your foundation. And oh wow, that one worked pretty well. You know what, guys, it's actually made my liner really straight. The only thing is this one is definitely they're both slightly at the wrong angle because I've done it too far up sort of this way, and they are both really uneven, but wow. That is a sharp wing if I ever saw one. Can somebody please tell me why I just hooked that round my nose? Could you not just get 2 bits of tape, if anything, and do a short bit there and a short bit there? You don't need to hook it round your nose. I get it though. People will do anything for views and I understand, but that is a really sharp eyeliner wing and it looks great, but I'm gonna have to try and even these up a little bit. And I guess also like connect it to the rest of my eyelid. I'm gonna try and do like a smoky wing and smudge it out a little bit. Yeah, now that I've connected it, that actually looks pretty decent. It looks pretty decent, I can't lie. They do look kind of different because obviously I've got 2 different eyeshadow looks on anyway, but that actually worked so much better than I thought it would. And I'm kind of annoyed that it did actually work. I do think that this is completely useless and there is no need to hook it around your nose. And also, just like, if anything, guys, just take this little bit of tape and just do a bit of that and use that to help guide you and make it sharp. I don't think you need all of the tape. It's just a bit much. Like, it's just too much. Who has got the time to be doing that? Not me. It's probably actually the best that my eyeliner's looked in months. The final hack that I've got to test is from a Instagram user called Taze Braz Official, and I believe she is a French creator and she does loads of like cool looking makeup videos, and she has got this hack for putting on your eyelashes where you put the glue along your lash line, which obviously I've done before in a previous hacks video. Then the absolute madness that she does next is she puts the eyelash on her eyelid and then she blinks and it falls exactly onto the glue, and then she just sticks it on and it looks like the easiest thing in the world, and I've got no idea how that is supposed to work, but it did. So I'm gonna try it. The lashes I'm using are Unicorn Cosmetics Majestic AF. I'm taking some lash glue. This is the House of Lashes glue and it's black. I'm gonna paint it along my lash line. And she sort of wiggles it about a bit and then she puts it, she like sticks it up here like this, and then let's try that again, shall we? And then, why is it not working for me? Hers just fell exactly onto her lash line, like in the perfect place. Maybe I'm not lining it up right. Let's put it a bit lower, maybe. Go on. Well, did that kind of work? Let me then just have a little wiggle about with it. Well, they have now actually stuck. Okay. Not quite. One more go. Nope, honestly at this point. Okay, that sort of fell into the right place. If it works for you, and if it clearly worked for her so well, then that is amazing. But at this point, I think it would probably just be easier to just stick them on. Just stick them on like normal, because that was a bit of a faff. I've just used my candy icing lip kit. This is the finished look. Et voila. You know what, guys? I'm actually quite impressed with some of those makeup hacks. This is probably the one that has been the most impressive. Something that I definitely will take away from this video is to use liquid lipstick, mix it with concealer and make your own cream blush. That worked so well. Please let me know if you know of any more makeup hacks or you've seen any that you want me to test. Today's question comes from Weird Fangirl, nice name. And they've said, has there been a product that you've thrown away because at the time it wasn't up your street that you would have enjoyed now? I'm sure that there probably was. Not necessarily thrown away, but stuff that I've given away in the past. Mostly cream products like cream bronzers, cream blushes. I used to just think, oh, I would never use them, so I'd just give them away. You know what? I think at some point, I think I actually was sent one of the Charlotte Tilbury like contour ones, but I think I gave it away because at the time I was like, oh, well, I never use cream products. And I think I did put it in a giveaway package and now I can't get hold of it and I really want to. So, right, I'm gonna end this video here. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I will try and post more often. For now, I hope you guys have a lovely weekend and I will see you in my next video. Bye.